What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the
Guys, we got a 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass, 50,000 miles. It's got a 403. I think he said 403. It's the biggest small block Oldsmobile makes back in the day. Look at this thing. It's got 50,000 original miles on it. Really sick car. I said, we don't have one of these. We got to do a video of it. So there you go. And it is true dual. Right there. Right there. There's a manifold leak there. So we sent up to a mechanic. They're going to fix that for him. Then it goes into an 8.5. You guys can see there. Then it's got two Flowmaster knockoffs there and there. Tailpipes out the back on each side, right there, right there. That's what it sounds like running. We just checked it. We just got it all the way from Florida. It sounds really nice. Did you buy it from Florida?
Dude, the guy I bought it from did.
Wow.
He bought it for his mother to drive.
Yeah.
And then his mother, she lost her vision. He couldn't drive the car anymore.
Wow.
And so it's been sitting, and I got it out.
Yeah, since 12/30/14. Wow, that's an old tag. That's crazy. Well, you guys can see it's been garage kept. It's just clean. And it's definitely a Florida car, no rust. Look at that. Really clean car. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Revving and all that good stuff. You can hear it already. Here it is at idle. 85. That's really good. That's clean. Here's sound decibels on it. Wow, right at 100. Go ahead and back it out. Wow, it's all original, right?
All original.
That is crazy, man. Look at this sucker. Look at the interior. The car's just clean. Model 1, please. You guys can see. Yes.
Factory AC car.
Factory AC, wow.
AC works in it, heat works. Everything on the car works.
Look at this sucker. You don't find these every day. Wow. I'll back up so you guys can see it. This beautiful car. Beautiful. Pop the hood for me. It's all original. Wow. Look at this thing. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely the manifold.
Yeah, I'll be getting that fixed.
Yeah, you need to. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. God. Wow.
Hey, look, here's the best part. Watch.
Oh, it's got the swivel seats. Oh, come on. Let's go. Hell yeah. It's so nice.
Been smoked in.
Nothing. That's crazy, man. Nothing. Look at this thing. The swivel seats. They need to bring that back, dude. The swivel seats.
Yeah,
That is so cool.
And you know, that was ahead of its time back in the day.
Yeah. Wow. That's awesome. Look at this sucker. Wow. He's clean too. 73 Cutlass.